The space age brought us new technology like never before. Over the past century, technology has become an integral part of our lives and business. Today, we rely on space age innovations for our entertainment, our commerce, and our communications. In many ways, the space age has defined much of today. As we embark on the 21st century, we may ask, what's next? What will the future hold? What new innovations and technologies will we experience in the next 25 years? For space, the challenge is clear. Safer and cheaper access to space. Today, the cost of space transportation is very expensive. To illustrate this point, let's consider a common business tool, a laptop computer. The typical laptop has tremendous power and can be purchased for a few $1,000s, plus shipping. If the computer is shipped from New York to Philadelphia, for example, you can expect to pay shipping charges of about $30. If you're an astronaut needing that same laptop on the International Space Station, you can now expect to pay about $70,000 for shipping. The $100 replacement battery would cost a whopping $10,000 for shipping. With shipping costs like these, there is a very real barrier to realizing the benefits of space. Imagine if the transportation cost could be decreased by 90%. We would then be able to do more with far less. This would truly open the space frontier like never before. This is the goal of the Advanced Space Transportation Program at Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. The first step in making space travel safer and more cost-effective is to evaluate the technologies that we will need. NASA's Integrated Technology Assessment Center, Itac, is setting out to do just that. Itac has engaged a diverse, talented team from across the aerospace community. This team will bring a wide range of concepts and technologies that will be assessed to determine which technology investments represent the greatest potential payoff for future space transportation.
One of the biggest challenges we face in a long-term technology program is making the right decisions on how to make our investments. So we set up Itac at the National Space Science and Technology Center as a partnership between industry, NASA, and academia to bring in the best and brightest in terms of systems analysis in this country to help ASTP lay out the roadmap for its future.
NASA's coming together and bringing all industry, companies that typically compete to help us all find the promising technologies to fund for advanced space transportation.
Well, we're looking for the technologies that, given the broad set of decision criteria, give us the biggest bang for the buck. And we're not necessarily measuring dollars, we're measuring all types of performance in this process.
As shuttle technology nears its high point, it's not going to get a lot better. New space transportation systems are going to be required to bring America into the future, take us where we want to go in space.
We will evaluate a full suite of third generation or spaceliner concepts and in-space concepts for future space science missions. The year after that, we intend to have a full suite of not only concepts, but a full set of architectures. So we can pick future architectures and drill down all the way down to the technology level and be able to compare what's the benefit of this particular technology to my ultimate cost, safety, and exploration goals.
If we make the right decisions, or help NASA make the right decisions, we get low-cost access to space, and we get new systems that'll take us through the solar system and beyond into interstellar space. It's important because low-cost access to space is the key to a lot of things. It's the key to commercial enterprise, it's the key to strategic defensive systems, and it's the key to NASA getting its job of exploring the universe done.
When space transportation is routine, safer, and cheaper, we will be able to communicate better, understand more, and this will shape our future. Imagine a global transportation system where spaceliners could take us anywhere on the planet within 2 hours. Imagine same-day shipping and receiving. Imagine cheap communications where everyone can communicate from anywhere to anyone at any time. Imagine visual communication systems and space tourism. Imagine what fantastic scientific and medical discoveries lay ahead. Imagine fast interstellar expeditions to Mars and beyond. Imagine expeditions to new worlds. Imagine the future. Itac is ensuring that the technologies for the next generation of cost-effective spaceships for tomorrow will be there. The technologies we develop today will pave a highway to space for tomorrow.